In this quick guide, you'll learn how to see someone else's recent sales history on eBay. Whether you're a buyer wanting to check a seller's credibility or a seller looking to understand market trends, this tutorial will help you navigate eBay's platform to access the information you need. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to ebay.com. This is the starting point for our journey into exploring a seller's sales history. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed at the top. Here, you'll need to type in a product that is relevant to the seller whose sales history you're interested in. For instance, if you're curious about the sales history of a particular seller dealing in vintage watches, you might search for terms like vintage watches or the specific brand you're interested in. After entering your search terms, go ahead and click the search button. This will bring up a list of products related to your search. Now, it's time to find a product that you know is being sold by the seller you're interested in. Once you spot a product that matches, click on it to open the product's details page. This page will give you a lot of useful information about the product itself, but for our purposes, we're focusing on the seller. On the product details page, you'll find the seller's name, usually located under the product title or to the right side of the page. This is crucial because clicking on the seller's name will take you to their profile page. The seller's profile is a treasure trove of information, including their feedback score, which can clue you in on their reputation within the eBay community. Now that you're on the seller's profile page, look for the option that says Items for Sale or something similar. This section will show you the current listings the seller has available. However, to view their sales history, you'll need to locate and click on Items Sold or Sold Listings. This feature is pivotal as it provides you with a list of all the items that the seller has successfully sold in the past. It's here that you can gauge what the seller has been moving, which can be indicative of their activity and reliability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly navigate through eBay's platform to access a seller's recent sales history. This information can be quite valuable, offering insights into what products are in demand and helping you make informed buying or selling decisions. Remember, understanding a seller's history can enhance your confidence while shopping or strategizing your sales on eBay. So, next time you're curious about a seller's activity or want to delve into market trends, just follow this straightforward process. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to use eBay's features to your advantage. Thanks for watching and happy eBaying.